Hello everyone, here's Carrie with her product obviously, with her product ADSM201, the microscope, HDMI and USB double output digital microscope. And today we have 3 board. This one is from iPhone. See it clearly? And this one is from VIVO. And the last one will have Huawei. We do not want to try Samsung anymore because it's easily to get bomb. Okay, I know it's bombed. It's his battery. So anyway, the first one, iPhone. Okay, the focus distance. Let me do some measurement at first. It's more than 13. It's more than 13. I guess it's close to 16. It's close to 16. The first one is iPhone, right? Let's get some closer so you can see the whole screen. So whole monitor. And the VIVO. I think this distance is big enough to do some soldering just on this metal board on this stand, but also some customers may think this stand is kind of small, so they do some DIY whatever, just made this bigger. And the last one is Huawei. Really small. You can't really recognize any of them just with your own barely eyes, but it's easily to look very clearly here. Beautiful. Okay, that's it. See you next time.